Primer, foundation, powder, blush, bronzer, the list goes on and on. The makeup regimen for women and some men is extensive, and it can be difficult to get all those products blended on your face.
Yeah, it's taken me 13 years just to get this bad at it. Amy Davis has this electric makeup brush that promises to make it look like the pros did it.
Yeah, I mean, guys, you may have seen this because they sell it everywhere. It's sold in department stores, in Sephora, Costco, online, but it's $66. You want to know if it works before you shell out that cash.
I try to do my makeup every morning.
College senior and Channel 2 intern Melanie Yost is like the rest of us.
I think I'm decent. I don't think I'm the best by any means.
Trying her best to put on a good face each morning.
Okay.
But she's majoring in communications, not makeup.
Well, makeup brushes have been around forever.
Steve Machelet didn't know a thing about makeup, but he does know mechanics. He worked with a makeup artist to create this electric makeup brush that simulates the pressure and motions a professional uses to apply it.
This brush eliminates all the guesswork and all the techniques and skill needed to make your makeup look good.
Put it on. Okay. Put it there.
We asked Yost to try it out. On the left side of her face, she used the Blend Smart brush to apply her foundation.
And the directions said to go back and forth and up and down instead of making circles.
On the right side, she used a sponge. Then she compared each side.
This kind of looks like airbrush to me, and this just looks like, I don't know. It just looks like I'm wearing foundation, but it's not as high quality, I don't think.
Yost thought she used less foundation with Blend Smart and that the brush spread it out more evenly.
Okay, this is the blush brush.
The different brush heads are magnetic and they snap right in. Yost applied blush next, using Blend Smart on the left and her regular manual brush on the right.
The blush looks a little bit splotchy to me, but this just looks really, really even.
Again, she preferred the Blend Smart application.
If you put too much on, this will just buff it right out.
And who hasn't been a little heavy-handed? The Blend Smart starter set with foundation brush is $66. Blush, powder, and contouring brush heads are sold separately for $26 each.
I like it.
All right, so Yost did say that the Blend Smart took a little longer to apply her foundation, just going over and over, because you normally just sort of rub it all in. But she liked the way it looked in the end, and so she thought the extra time was worth it.
But is it worth the money? The 66?
Yeah, 66, and then the extra brush heads.
True.
Right. Yeah, I mean, so for fine lines and wrinkles as well, I mean, it seems like it really does a better job of getting it in there than just that
You
sponge.
need it. Right. See, I like it. It looked good, too.
I'm going to try it, too.
I want to try it.
Well, I'll share this brush.
Thanks, Amy.
Thanks, Amy.